Hello everyone, welcome to Study with Sanjita. Today we are going to study about homologous series. So what is homologous series? Homologous series is a series of compounds those have same chemical properties. This one is the definition of homologous series. So once again, what is homologous series? A series of compounds those have same chemical properties. Well, so homologous series have some properties. Basically, they have four main properties. Those are, number one is they will have same chemical properties according to the definition. They are going to have same chemical properties. And number two is they are going to have same general formula. Same general formula. Number three is they have a trend in their physical properties, which means, for example, more the number of carbon, the more the boiling point will be. This one is a trend, like more carbon and more BP. This trend will be maintained if they have if they are in same homologous series. Number four is difference between two consecutive number is CH2. For example, if we take one of the alkane that is CH4, let's take methane, okay, and ethane, C2H6. Well, let's take more propane, CH, C3H8. What's the difference here? The difference is CH2. Once again, in this pattern, the difference is CH2. As they are maintaining same difference, so the difference between two consecutive number is CH2. That's why they are of same homologous series. And one more thing that is needed to be mentioned is as there is only one carbon atom, there is two carbon atom, there is three carbon atom. So more the number of carbon atom is, the number of carbon atom is increasing here. Carbon is increasing here. This will result in more boiling point. More boiling point. To maintain the same trend, as we know, more carbon atom means more boiling point. So let us recall everything once again. What is homologous series? A series of compound those have same chemical properties. Homologous series is a series of compounds. As for example, if we take series of alkane, there are several compounds, so we can say series of compounds those have same chemical properties. There are four main properties of homologous series. Number one is they are going to have same chemical properties. Number two is they are going to have same general formula. Number three is they have a trend in their physical properties. They are going to maintain a trend in their physical properties. Number four is difference between two consecutive number will be always CH2 as shown here. Now we are going to learn a table related to this. What is homologous series, or what are the properties of homologous series? These are one, yeah, these are kind of repeated questions in IGCSE. We are keeping our first box for alkane, second one for alkene, third one for alcohol. Okay, so let's start. First one for alkane, second one for alkene, third one for alcohol. So we know that all the alkanes, as for example methane, ethane, propane, they all have same chemical properties. In fact, they have same general formula as well. Their general formula is CnH2n plus 2 plus 2. All the alkanes in the world will have same general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2. So they are of same homologous series. Next, we have alkene. All the alkenes in the world will have same general formula, that is CnH2n. And all the alcohols in the world gonna have same general formula, that is CnH2n OH. At first they will have Cn, for example, C1H2n and then OH. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed class 1 there. Let me rewrite it again. CnH2n plus 1. Then OH. Well, so the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2, of alkene is CnH2n, of alcohol is CnH2n plus OH, CnH2n plus 1 plus OH. The next we have is, let us write down some alkane, for example CH4, methane, C2H6, ethane, C3H8, propane, C4H10, butane. And let us write down some alkenes starting from ethene, C2H double 4, C3H6, C4H8. Now writing down some alcohols, C1 at first. So according to that, H will be 2n plus 1. That means 2 plus 1, which is 3. Then OH. Next, one is methanol. Next, we are going to write ethanol. I'm writing together. That is C2. So 2 to the 4 plus 1, that is 5, and OH, methanol. This one is ethanol. Now we are going to write propanol, the last one, C3. 3 to the 6 and plus 1, 7, and OH. Now let us see. So what we know, the properties of homologous series. From the properties of homologous series, we learned that they are going to have the difference between two consecutive numbers is CH2. Well, so CH4 and C2H6. See, there is the same difference of CH2. The difference between carbon atoms are 1C, and there is H6, there is H4, so 6 minus 4, 2. Same in there even. The difference is CH2. 8 minus 6 is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. Same here as well, the difference is CH2. This is also same for alkene, as they are of same homologous series. That is, the difference is here again C2 and C3. So 3 minus 2 is C1, not writing down 1, and H 6 minus 4 is 2, CH2. Again, the difference is CH2. For alcohol, it is same. There are 2C and there is 1C, so 2 minus 1 C, and number of H, there are 4H and there are 6H, so 6 minus 4 is 2, and 1010, it is cancel out. Same in case of ethanol and propanol as well. C3 minus C2, C1, and H, there are 8 hydrogens and there are 6 hydrogens, so 8 minus 6 is 2. So this is all for today. Today we learned about homologous series, properties of homologous series, and a table regarding homologous series of alkenes and alcohol.